The lemon is a wonderful fruit that not only can provide flavor and much-needed vitamin C but is also a well-known antiseptic. Of course you are familiar with lemon in the Master Cleanse, and because of its natural acidity, lemon can remove harmful bacteria. Below are some common uses for the lemon, along with some not so common uses. Eliminates dandruff. Massage 1 tablespoon of lemon juice into your hair. Shampoo, and then rinse thoroughly. Rinse your hair again with a mixture of 2 tablespoons lemon juice and 2 cups of water. Do this every other day to improve your dandruff problem. Removes blackheads. Apply juice directly over blackheads before going to sleep and leave it on overnight. Wash off the juice with cool water when you wake up. Repeat until you see an improvement in your skin. Strengthens and whitens fingernails. Use lemon juice as a soak for your fingernails for 10 minutes, and then brush your nails with a mixture of equal parts of white vinegar and lukewarm water. Rinse thoroughly. Use as antiseptic. Apply the juice on minor wounds and cuts, will sting a bit. Relieves the effects of poison ivy. To soothe itching and alleviate the rash, apply juice directly over the affected area. Softens rough hands and feet. Apply juice to soften rough skin on hands and feet. Rinse, and then massage with olive oil. Relieves cough. Mix 4 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 cup of honey and 1/2 cup of olive oil. Heat the mixture while stirring vigorously. Then take 1 teaspoon every 2 hours. Alternatively, make a honey lemon tea with the juice of a half lemon, 2 tablespoons of honey and 8 ounces of hot water. Mix and drink. Relieves constipation. Before eating breakfast, drink 4 tablespoons of lemon juice in 1 cup of tepid water. Sweeten with a bit of honey. Deodorizes a cutting board. Rub your cutting board with lemon juice to rid smells of garlic, onions, or fish. Deodorizes your garbage disposal. After you've used the juice from lemons, cut the lemons into quarters, then put it down into the disposal for a fresh lemony smell. Removes fruit or berry stains from your hands. Wash your hands with lemon juice, then rinse with water. Rids rust and mineral discolorations on cotton t-shirts and underwear. Before washing with detergent and water, use 1 cup of juice as a natural bleach. As a microwave oven cleanser, add 4 tablespoons of lemon juice to a cup of water in a microwave-safe bowl. Heat for 5 minutes in the microwave, and allow the steam to condense on the inside walls of the microwave. Then wipe clean. Eliminates odors in the humidifier. Add lemon juice into the water. Clean stainless steel kitchen sinks. Mix lemon juice and salt into a paste, and use this paste to gently clean sinks.